มันพายคูบอลแบบนี้นี่เป็ดชวายขมัดมากองสันกันตูอุเมนทรีกิตนัดดอนเนอร์อุดรสุกันตามาจุมดาร์ยาวลัดกจลาเมฆาลยาบันเป็นสเตทอยากชิพาวตลีกิโปรเจกต์กิบดังเป็นไตรกรรมลิงบากา North East Councilมันบามสมัยกิ MDC บดังชาจิตทำไมให้กิ HEDC บัด JHEDC ละชายกสงีออนชิมยากจึงเป็นสมัยดัก Deputy Commissioner กับ East Khasi บัดอุ Deputy Commissioner กับ West Giant Hills Kular keseng VPP ban ai ke jeng syakri ke berjanai haki HEDC bat JHEDC on train ke benta ban pen urlong ya ke jeng kular hak port election bat lek jureb umentri ke soka pedeng Hardip Singh Puri ya ke jeng pentre ya ke kampenroy Harib Hoi district Kikubor kibubnya. Menteri kena kesoka pedeng berkemi ia ketenat education bat donor u Dr. Sukanta Majumdar. Mentah kesengi ulat betah ia ulat ke Jela Meghalaya ban pendep ia kisipau tuli ke projek badangsa kibahap apa ke NEC. Unia menteri mentah kesengi ulat kemi benya ia ki projek berpair-pair ki bala penteri kam lingba ke NEC bat ketenat donor. Hapok ke Jela. Ulaong bana kaliang ke sorkar ke kuak ban pendep dut no ia baro ki projek bat ban berap ru ba ki don katu kat ni teli ki projek ki bala dep ban trei Henry hakikot ki sla ke pau ba kampat dep. Ula pentep ru ba ke sorkar menta kala rai ban wanra ia ketnat ban khmi ia ki rukom penteri kam lingba ke industries department bat kene kan yarap ban play ya kilat yo kam yo jam ha ke Jela.
They have made some changes as the logistic. It was not under the industry, but recently they have brought it under the industry category. So in the near future, this logistic, after they have brought it under the industry, the logistic facility will increase in the state of Meghalaya, which will promote the job creation as well as the tourism sector and the other sector of this state.
Tenat District Council Affairs mentah kesengi kala pentip bayaka jeng pensma yaki MDC jong ka KHEDC bat JHEDC ba on pelong lasai kesengi. Kini ketenat kala pentip ru ba ka jeng pensma ya chairman bat ya chief executive member ha baro atli ki yang dorbar on pelong lasengi thok dieng. Akawai pat kaliang ulat ke Jela Meghalaya ula betha ya ka Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills bahkan penya ya ka jingelang bat ban pensma yaki MDC ha KHEDC kat baha JHEDC pat la IT hau Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hills ban penya ya ke jingelang bat ban pensma ya baro ki MDC ha ke kaipot ke badang shu yo pediang la yatu bagaseng VPP ke larai ban jet yo uba shembor lang renja akum chief executive member ha KHEDC bat yo uba strong pillar karjana akum chairman kat baha JHEDC uba Andrew Shulai onyalam ya kaliang persya Saying Voice of the People's Party dan VPP kabala yo ya ke majority ha ke KHEDC da ka berjob kat nyotuli ki syuki kala penti kena bahkan no mitrelang bat kinu ki seng san pertai bantau ya ke executive committee unong ai ketien ka seng u Dr. Batskem Merbo ula ong ba ka seng kala don ya ke majority bat kam don kam shu ya ke jing kershan jong ki weipat ki MDC
In KHDC, we don't need so far the support of any other candidate, any other MDC. Since we have got yes, absolute majority, we can form our own executive committee.
Kaseng Voice of the People's Party ka la banjur bahkan ai ya ke jing syakri ke berjanai ki pat ba KHEDC bat JHEDC. Aga kubor ke balapa unong aiktien keseng VPP u Dr. Batskem Merbo ula pentikna bagaseng kan bu shwa hakmat yaki kam bakala kular yaki patba hakapol bakai lap election. Kaseng ketemu ban pai kmat halo kumnu ban kentiau yaka yok kot jong ki patba lingba ke KHEDC. U Dr. Merbo ula ongru bagaseng VPP kan sa shim yaka jingkit kali kum kaseng ban yeng hakaliang persya HJHEDC bat kanyai beteng bentrai na kebenta kebha kemiat jong ki paitba.
Have to work with the people, work for the welfare and betterment of the lives of the people, and since we have the committed elected MDCs, so we are sure that people will once again give their confidence and their faith in the party.
Kaseng United Democratic Party kala penpau ba ka kershan ya ke nongrem jong kaseng VPP banyakun persya ya ke jeng pendon kam ya ke board jong ke pisah ha ke por election. U General Secretary kaseng UDP uba Jemino Mautho ula banjur lo ka jeng don kam banrat Bengkong ya ke ni ka jeng melian besniu ha ke ba ula ong ba ke penduk mensiem ki kertong ki betebet bandrung sya ke jeli ki kam sain hima sima tanah ke dau jong ke pisah. Agawai pat keliang Menteri Kesorokar uba Kermen Shela ula ong bakadau jong ka jinghiar ka seng UDP hagi katu katni ki jaka ka dei na kadau baki MDC kim don ka jingedei ka bejan bat ki paitba.
Duk mentaru kan ka bor pisah dan tri kami. Tikidon ki jaka baka bor pisah tri kami. Kidon ki jaka pada bakam tri kami. Di kemakalong menta tangan keren itu kebasyai. Kajing mi juga BPP ru aku kalian kaya rapi nomor ba kalong persya ya kajing tri kami juga bor pisah. Kata te kalong kebasyai kita ramah. Kidon ki bayakun ki parti juga pendon kam juga bor pisah ru kirim. Andai kani ka bor pisah ka dan tri kam ni tu ipi gi babon ki jakah ke ti kani ka bangi hamban penduk ni hamban penduk nomor ba adin habut la syai buat ki brio ki badon ka jing tunggu ke ba biang jing tunggu ba manwan chman ke nomor chu nomor ba undon pisah makin ong ba wayang election da undon pisah tu undon jing.
There are times that maybe few of our MDCs didn't get that connection, direct connection to public. That miscommunication, misconnection, give them a chance to speak. So I don't blame the public also. We respect and we accept it. But it's just that this gives us a lesson to learn that direct connection with public is very important. Should not lose that connection.
Menteri Kesorokar pedeng uba khmi ikatanat petroleum but natural gas Hardip Singh Puri ulalek ban khmi ya ka jing trei logikam penroi beper aga thain ribhoi kani ka jing le jong ka long ban jurep halo ki santali kitnat bakongsan kata ka kot ka khia ka puli puthi ka rep keryang ka umbam umdi but ka skill development aga ni ka sngi le jurep ru ya ka pineapple processing unit ka badon ha ka snong umdi har ribhoi district. Kesorokar Meghalaya kala kentat ya ka jing kentu ban pelong da ka jing tokit halo ka jing sya keno persya ya ka University of Science and Technology lani USTM hadien ka jing sya kemno jong chancellor Mehbubul Haq da ki pulet ka Assam komban syukudo la kem yo hak halo ka jing keno bodon kti ban aila le tu ya ka examine class 12 Menteri Bakhmi ya katnat puli puthi ka jela rakam sangma ulapan syai ba ka jela ka klem yo ya kinu ki jing ujor syapang ki kam le tu kani ka university bat nakata ka daw omdon kam ban pelong ya ki jing tokit.
Arrest is nothing to do with the USTM. It has been appeared in the news. It's been for some other reasons, some other issues within Assam. So I don't have any comments and I have any detail on all the subjects. Since we are yet to receive any complaint from anybody officially in written, have it been so? Could have been a different story as of now. Since there is no any official communication from anybody, so that question doesn't arise as of now. I don't have any comments in all this, but that is I don't know what's the subject grammar. What's the grammar on this? So I also don't know. Right? Without reading the proper grammar, I wanted able to comment on this. I need to convince myself the proper grammar of the subject.
Hadien ka results jong ka election KHADC bat JHADC kala pelong yi pat ba ban kmi lenti kambon na kinong mikmat badang syuja syajet thamai I principal berim jong ka Shillong College MPR Lingdo ila banjur lo ki kamram bat ki jingkit khli ka council ban yada ya ka larti bat ki jingdon jing em jong ka imlang ka salang ila ongru ba kini kimat ki dei ban long ki ba khmat jong upat ba da ka bakentu ya kinomik khmat bathamai ban ai ka jing kermen bat ban pendep ya ki jing dawa jong ki nong jiet ha ka ban yada ya ka jing long tanrai jong ka than
Pai ba ki bo ni jing khmi lanti nang district council kadang kabor no apa pek yang ni banyak dah yang ni ya kita kita sedul ya kerja kerja ya kita nong kita tahu cloud ketap ya kita so kun kemarin banyak dah kita lom baru kau dan hak district council di kadi kan penik besar ya kerja berdiri ke tinggi tibu ki na kini ki bertamai ki
La pelong ya ke awareness program na ke benta ki bre ki badon ya ke jing duna ki de khotmet ha shlong da ka jing thmu ban ai jing hikai ya ki halor ki scheme per ba ki la ban yo na ka sarkar ya ke ne program la pelong da ka composite regional center for skill development rehabilitation and empowerment of persons with disabilities la penyaj da ulat ke jela u Chandrasekhar H Vijay Shankar ka thong jong ke program ka long ban pendap ya ki jing duna ha ki jing nang jing tep na ka benta ki baduna ki de khotmet ha ka be dei bat ki jing mentoy be per ba ki la ban yo na ka sokar khnang ba kan kintieu bat pen kup bor yaki
CILING has been a beacon of hope, offering clinical training and rehabilitation services under one roof. I commend Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Directorate of Social Welfare and all stakeholders for dedication. With the 10 acres of land allocated at Domsauli for a state-of-the-art facility, CRC Silang is set to enhance its services, including specialized interventions, skill training and academic programs. The Rights of a Person with Disabilities Act 2016 has expanded the scope of support, increasing specialization disabilities from 7 to 21.
Ha kawai na ki jingja hari bhoi uwei unongnya auto rickshaw lamen saujur hadian ba kawai ke trok kala tingkhu ya ke auto rickshaw bat pet no na ka tei ke jaka kane ka jingja kala jah nen ka miet ha ka por khatwei baje hajan ka Bethany Hospital ha paham sim kane ka auto rickshaw ka badon ya registration number ML Shipo B Pran Rio Sansan belanya da Ricky Lingdo kala sha tanra ha kawai ke trok Bamla ban itu akapo wan pai na nongpo yau ni unongnya lapan kit no sha Bethany Hospital na kebenta kijing sha sumar ki bebiang ka Mahadev Koladham ka badai ka wei na ka jaka mani blei bala rimtam ha ka jela ka bayeng kum ka syarak jong ka jingej ha ka jing rakhie ya ka Mahashivratri kani ka jaka mani blei ka bala rim kum ba shispa san posnem ai kala kring dagi hajar ngut ki ringej Hindu ban wan sha kani ka jela ya kane ka jaka mani blei la burom na ka benta ka jinglong bakerpang jongka ka badang yai long ka jaka kentang ka bakongsan khamtam ha ka jing rakhi ya ka sawan bat ka Mahashivratri kane ka jaka mani blei ka phla ka baphala ka badang yai beteng ban kring ya ki rungej Hindu bat kumju ya ki ba iet ya ka jingshna berem Mentang inya pet ya ka jinglong juman ka sun beneng hatura ka jing kriat ka long lai po degree Celsius bat ka jing shit ka long khat rio degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau menta ka si ka long lai pusau na ka shispa haba pai pat shnong ba shlong ka jing kriat ka long nyo point sau degree Celsius bat ka jing shit ka long khat pra point lai degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi ka long ro po na ka shispa kat ba hajwai pat ka jing kriat ka long khandai degree Celsius bat ka jing shit ka long khat khandai degree Celsius bat ka jing sngam ka hau menta ka si ka long sau phuai na ka shispa ka sun beneng ka la bandon ka jing hap slap agi kat tu kat ni ki jaka hatura jawai bat shlong shaban poi she ka bakut jong ka thuk khbon ni pe biang sa asian ni ki mat bakongsan Kentu Menteri Ketnak Donor Dr. Sukanta Majumdar ya ulat ke Jala Meghalaya ban Finstead ya ki shipotli ki projek ki badang pentrekam lemba ke North East Council On bam smai ki MDC badang syajit themai ke KHADC bat JHADC la syai ke sngi on shim ya ke jingpen smai daga Deputy Commissioner ke East Castles ba Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hills Kular keseng VPP ban ai ke jing syakri ke berjanai KHADC bat JHADC on train ke benta ban penurlong ke jing kular ha ke port election Bat lek jureb menteri Ketnak Soka Pedeng Hardip Singh Puri ya ke jing pentrei ya ke kam penroi Hari Bahoi District Teparlok kat tungi lapoi sebekut jeng tuk kubor jeng mentaga janmiet hadu bangin disyar pilasai kesini haga juga po kubleshi boni pi baro.
Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the Northeast News Bulletin.